Young man, are you aware that she is married and living with her husband?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm sorry, please. This is devil at work.
The devil. Man digs his own pit, falls into it, and blames the devil. The devil. Tell the devil that you're going to jail. I won't make you pay for this. Not because you had sex with her. That's not why. Or because you chose my home. My home to carry out your sexual rendezvous with her. I go out. I'm a man like you. I go out to toil, work very hard, so that I can have this roof, put clothes on her back, with food on our table, give us a comfortable life. And you come in here. Why did you not take her to a hotel? Anywhere else, apart from my home? Why? You chose to come to my home. Why? Because you think that I am too little to do anything about it. You speaks of the fact that you think of me as an inferior, and I'm going to show you that my simplicity does not make me a stupid man. Young man, I hope that you have a good lawyer, because you're going to have your day in court. I will press charges. I'm going to use you as a scapegoat to teach all the useless men a lesson. Chama, you couldn't do better? That's him? I am disgusted. Officers.
Please, sir.
It's all yours.
Move. Please, sir. Move.
Shama, let me have them get my ring.
You can do something.
I don't think that at this point you want me to repeat myself. Should I come and put it? Let me have it.
Na biko no o biko.
It's over. I cannot continue to live with you, Chama. My people will come see your people so that they can collect the bride price. At your convenience, I want you to get your things together and leave my house. Now, I don't want to see you again. No. Please, at your earliest convenience, get your things out of my house.
You have really well. The only tree that gives us shade has been cut down by you. Ijaka gilwa uno, osea watuenya. What will our father do? How will you explain this to our poor mother? This was the same guy that started following the very minute you got admitted into that school. To the extent he was so shameless to be living with you in your hostel. Our father came there to chase him out. Our mother sent a note of warning to his parents. Nobody knew you were still having secret affairs with him. Chioma, your only brother, who is your father's only son, is still missing and is not to be found. You even got married and could not abort the useless relationship. Your poor father is still dying in silence back in the village because of his only son who he has not seen. You were choking Kotawanka. Konye nisi oya munyamuru. And I will not allow you to kill my father for me. Your marriage has ended. Nataba. Come back! I am ashamed.
This is serious. How can I believe this story? Can somebody tell me this is not true? I can't believe this. Very shameful. This is painful. I thought she's an angel. Angel. Oh, my love, I'm getting kaleki. Come touch your table. Ego. You ain't nothing else more. When it was more. What have I not done for you? What have I not done for you? Tell me more. Tell me one more. Is it love I gave you? Is it God I gave you? and your palunga I gave you. I was blindfolded with your love. I should have known that this will come. Why did you choose to stop me? Why? See, I have learned you can't judge a book by its cover, but you can learn by first few chapters. I went to hustle just to...
Who's Amaka?
Papa.
Who's Amaka? What is it?
Papa, I'm fine.
I don't know if my in-law is back. Because he called that he bought some clothes and new shoes me and promised to see me immediately he is back. I even called him this morning several times. It was no picking. I don't know what happened.
Papa, he is back and will come to see you soon.
Ah. Are you sure everything is all right? You are shedding tears.
Papa, I just have a headache. It's bringing tears in my eyes. I'll be fine.
Ah. Okay. Have you taken any medicine?
Yes, Papa.
Okay.
What are children turning into? A married woman bringing another woman into her matrimonial home without fear? What is life becoming? Why then did she agree to marry my son when she knew she could not be trusted?
I heard that the young man is also a student, and they are both known in school together. Yes. You see, I made a call to some friends in her department, and trust me, the news was everywhere. Yes, they were living in the same hostel together in one apartment. It was even your coming back that separated them. And I also heard that Chioma's father went to beat the boy up and removed Chioma from the hostel. Though he had an accident when that happened, so he was crippled. He could no longer monitor his child, and Chioma packed her bag and went back to the boy. Brother, many things are happening in our campuses these days. The rate of abortion which young girls commit these days is something else. What a sad story. Chioma. Chioma of all people. For real, I'm so disappointed. Seriously.
That girl didn't do well at all. She didn't. I mean, she didn't even consider her family and everything her husband did for them. She deceived Obinna here with her looks. I mean, if she knew she was not interested in this marriage, she would have come out straight and possibly continue with her student boyfriend.
She didn't find she free.
But no. She's big enough to know what's bad and what's good. But she lured my brother on. Obinna, why didn't you allow the police to arrest her alongside her student boyfriend?
Oh, well, the DPO advised against that because of the child, because of the baby. But also told me that as soon as I find someone that can take care of Ndemeka, and I still want her arrested, then he will send his boys.
That is not an excuse, brother. I can take care of the child. Yes, because if she had not allowed that young man into your house, the young man would not have forced himself in. What are you talking about? She brought this upon herself, so she should suffer for it.
And
please.
Stupid boyfriend. Was he not aware that Chioma is married? Yet, he has the gut to invade and sleep with her in her matrimonial home. In all honesty, let's call a spade a spade. Men should stop this. They should stop invading another man's home to sleep with their wife because of that singular act of logic they have. What is this? To me, that boy will rot in jail so that others will learn from it.
And Chioma should go scot-free, mother.
I never said so. Like he said, she is still a nursing mother. So let her go home, tell the parents what she's done, live with the guilt for the rest of her lives. The only way out is to go for a DNA. Know if the child is ours, and other things can follow. It's very simple.
I mean, that girl took advantage of Obinna and deceived him with her looks. No wonder they say looks are elusive. Very, very elusive. Well, the deed has been done. We really have to, chart a way forward. We can't continue living like this. And like they say, life is full of vicissitudes, ups and downs. Obinna, you just had one of the downs. But like they said, whatever does not kill a man makes a man. I hope you've learned from these. Fortunate anyway.
This is serious. How can I believe this story? Can somebody tell me this is not true?
What am I seeing? I said it. I know that for Amaka Nwam to come back home with a lot of tears, something must be wrong somewhere. Something must be wrong. Who can tell me what is wrong here? What happened? Amaka, what happened?
Papa, she should tell you herself what she did.
Chioma, what happened? Speak to me. Where is the vehicle you normally drive to this place? And why do you look so tattered? Why? Speak to me. What happened?
Papa, please, I am sorry. I'm sorry I disappointed you.
I don't... What happened? Speak to me.
Papa, you have to be a man and hold yourself. Because I cannot swallow this anymore. All your efforts on this fool were in vain. It was the day you went to her lodge to chase Ifeanyi away that you had the accident that got you bedridden until the prince came into the picture. That Ifeanyi has ruined her marriage.
Ah.
Papa, your daughter has been bringing Ifeanyi into her matrimonial home.
Ah!
On her matrimonial bed. He even wears her husband's clothes. As we speak, we are not sure of the paternity of that child she is carrying.
Hey, Amaka, Amaka, that one is not true. No, it's not true.
Hence, the prince has asked her to leave his house.
Choma! Hey! Choma Ebuam! Choma Ebuam! Hey! Stay clear from me! Rapamaka!
Papa! Papi, Papa,
Hey! 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 Chima Ebuamo! Ewa! Alumelo! What a destiny! What a life! This young man came and willingly accepted all of us into his own family. Eh? He took me to the best hospital in Europe to make sure that I'm well again. Eh? Shoma, what did I do to you? What did I do to you? You have killed your father. Can I still walk along the village roads with my shoulders high? Can I do that? Eh?
Papa Biko.
Papa Biko. Where's that? Where? C'est même pas. C'est même pas. No. I was still happy today. I was still happy. I will shoot you. Come inside this house again. If you don't kill me, I will kill you.
Very shameful. This is painful. I thought she's an angel. Oh, my love, I'll give me Kamereki. Let you take her.
What are you doing here?
Answer me! What are you doing here? Have come to teach her how to bring in a boyfriend in a husband's house? Was that why him? Fool! Stupid! Fool! A man came into your life, changed you and your family. The way you could pay him back is to bring in a useless boyfriend. Are you happy now? Are you happy?
I advised you on Ifeanyi. I told you he has nothing to offer. But you didn't listen. You kept telling me he was the first man you met. Well, you also had a first man, but I moved on. Now look at it. This same Ifeanyi, more than 10 women he was dating. I advised you before I left. Most of these boys will cripple you. And they will useless your life.
Now look at, it was obviously you didn't use your brain when I talked to you. A married woman stay married. As far as you agreed to that marriage. Now, leave my house. Leave! Do you want me to push you? Leave house. If you stop me, you touch me, I will stab you. Leave! You want me to... Come on, leave here. Mama, it's okay. Mama, leave. Fool! Let me see your leg here again. Just cross here again. You will see what I will do to you. Uncultured animal!
This is serious. How can I live this story? Can somebody tell me this is not true? My God, be my one more. I can't believe this. Very shameful. This is painful. I thought she's an angel. I thought she's...
Chai! Chioma has killed me. Chioma has killed my family. She tarnished the good name of this family. If I had known, I wouldn't have allowed her go to that school. Those that could not attend school, have they died? Are they not prosperous? Are they not married? I want to know. Look at the damage school have done to my family. Hey, Chidekena. I thought my daughter is an innocent, sensible, and decent girl. I never knew it's like this. Hi, Chibo. What has this innocent young man not done for her? What has he not done for this family because of Chioma? Because of the love he has for her. Chioma jidi forma werento weraja weruni fikos wufo. She painted good devil. Why? My own daughter. Hari Modubo. Iriabu Guada Dube. Hi. Will she be with that innocent child? Where? Amaka, why didn't you collect that child from her? Why?
Mama, I tried to collect the child, but she refused. Where else will she be if not Jideka's house?
Jideka's house?
Yes, Mama. Jideka's house.
Jideka's house. Jideka's house. Okay. Jideka's house.
Mama. Please. Where are you going to?
This is serious. How can I believe this story? Can somebody tell me this is not true? Go bigger, Mama. I can't believe this. Shameful. This is painful. I thought she's an angel. I thought she's an angel. Oh, my love. I'll give me
Nanya.
Thank you, my dear. Please, did you see my daughter here?
Yes, she was here, but I sent her out. I don't want anybody to spoil my own for me.
You did what? You sent her out? Hey! Mama Jide, she came here for a refuge and you sent her out. How can you do such? Huh? Hey! I am finished though. Where should I look for her now? Where? Let me tell you the fact, though. Since we look as if we are the one that pushed her into that marriage, we didn't do such thing. She and the prince concluded by themselves that they will get married and did that. We don't have any hand in pushing her or forcing her to marry the prince. No. Let it not just look as if we did that. She decided on her own to marry the prince. She's just acting all this or acted it on her own. I just don't know. You see that one popcorn? What's it from now? As if I will go mad. I don't know. I don't just know. I don't know what I will do.
Nothing. You will do absolutely nothing. She has grown. She should be able to take care of herself since her marriage is not important to her. By the way, why are you disturbing your life?
What do you expect me to do? No, tell me. Nekambono. I am her mother. My major problem now is my grandchild. The child she's carrying. That child needs comfort. I need to collect him from her. In fact, he shouldn't share from the sin of his mother.
You are right. I don't know where she moved. She goes this way. That is it.
Manjide, you didn't do well. I didn't expect this from you. Okay, thank you.
I don't want somebody to come here and spoil my own.
Wonder shall never end. That girl that came here and she was behaving as Mother Teresa. I can't believe this.
I heard the prince married her and the boyfriend was busy.
Servicing her. Wait. This is not a laughing matter. It's not a laughing matter. She's a woman like us, and she should not tarnish the image of other women out there, especially the unmarried one like us.
Yes, I know what she did was bad. The prince should forgive her and bring her back. Okwaya,
if the prince is your brother, will you allow him to bring such an idiot without senses?
Well, there is nothing forgiveness cannot do, but you see that girl, she does not deserve forgiveness. Let her go and follow her boyfriend now. Stupid girl.
Imagine. The prince that I'm dying for.
You.
Holy girl.
Thank you.
Just perfume?
Yes. So your mother is not back yet?
I've not seen her.
What of Uzoma?
She left too. And I don't know where to start looking for them. Papa, I think my mother should stop engaging herself on a fruitless search. Because it is obvious Chioma is not around this village.
That is her business.
Why is this battery not charged? Did you charge this battery last night? I don't swallow me here. Jesus. Hey. Hey. This your mouth is hellfire.
Nah, what is holding this girl herself? Hmm? Look at, by now, this girl haven't bring us food. Eh? Ozoma, what is your problem now? See, I'm very, very hungry. I didn't eat since last night. I didn't eat. In fact, I nearly eat in my dream.
What is your problem, sir?
Huh?
Sometimes you will just be starving yourself. How can you not eat last night? See, let me tell you, better go and find somewhere and buy food, though. Because if you are waiting for this girl, you will yawn till this your two lips divide. Eh? Especially if what I heard is true. Yeah.
Especially what you heard is true.
Yes.
I don't understand. Especially what you are hearing is not true. Eh? What did you hear? If I may ask.
Let me give you the latest now.
Okay.
The Chioma that we all thought was the Blessed Virgin. We thought that her legs is super glued together. The girl is an opener.
I don't understand.
The girl is a confirmed certified obligated wako. Salaka, the girl name Salaka.
Wako.
See? If you see her, you think that
do you know your problem? Your problem is that you are uneducated mechanic. In fact, you have a monkey brain. I can adhere to all your statement or this one, but you see this one that you mentioned, Wako, because I know that as you are now, you are uneducated illiterate. Eh? You're gonna be a monkey, it's a mango. Nothing is here. The only grammar that is coming out of your mouth is rubbish. It's nothing but undiluted rubbish. Eh? Grammatical kwashoko. Grammatical blunder. That is what you are blowing out. See, if you want to speak grammar, bring it down. Let me ask you, what do you mean by that wako? Wako.
You see your problem. See, let me tell you, it's like they need to tell this estate agent that there's a free office space in your head because your brain is empty. You are a very big fool. So after saying all these things, I did grammatical blunder. I'm an illiterate. You still ask me the meaning of wako. Your parents will answer for giving birth to this idiot. See, let me tell you, if you don't know something, shut up. Let me explain it to you. Let me lecture you. When they say wako, you ask yourself, what is wako? Wako, according to the Oxford English Dictionary in Ekulobia, means when a woman is opening her legs. When a woman is jumping from one bed to another, opening any brukus she sees, she will greet, she will take. That's what wako means. You are here talking rubbish.
How did it happen? Can you go swim?
My brother, it happened the way God wanted it to happen.
Huh?
That drama was with her school boyfriend. They were inside. The prince caught them. Now let me tell you the details of the story. They were inside. As the idiot wants to do, the prince is marching up. If he's coming closer, the prince is coming closer. As the thing wants to end, the thing hangs. The prince opened up. The guy could not do anything again. It was as if they pushed the thing to enter it. Someone was just like this, waiting for the thing to enter. It was a slap. Oh, you need to be there. I'm telling you. Hey! That thing is very sweet too. They caught them red-handed. This God is if you brush your teeth, I would have bagged the I'm telling you.
Oh, Baradin Gozi.
I'm telling you.
Blessed Virgin Maria. Please. Your balanya, yo. Look at Shama. Shama that I consider that she is undiluted virgin.
I'm telling you.
Already made virgin.
I
don't know, my hands are equal. I don't know that Shama's leg is like this, look like a river Niger.
Alex,
like a borehole.
I'm telling you.
If I know, I would have, because I've been planning this thing from the time immemorial.
My brother.
I'm telling you.
But
I am much disappointed.
See, See,
Choma Kesaya!
My brother, what you're saying would have been true if not for this your face. You understand? If the is opening for everybody, if you see this your face, nobody will open for you. My brother, let's do our work. So let's close that Choma chapter.
But Choma surprised me.
Crucify me, that makes.
Hey,
do I look like Mama Put? Chop the tire.
This is serious. How can I believe this story? Can somebody tell me this is not true? My Kobe got my one more. I can't believe this. Very shameful. It's painful. I thought she's an angel. I thought an angel. Oh, my love. I can't be ready. I'm just to take her. I go. You ain't nothing else about.
Good morning, ma'am.
Is this Choma's father's house?
Yes, sir.
Please, is the father at home?
Yes, he is, sir.
Please, could you tell him that Ifeanyi's father and the uncle are here to see him?
Okay, sir. Papa. Papa.
Sir, that is why we are here, because that's this thing that says when a finger touches the oil, it goes round us. A son we sent to school to go and better life ended up destroying a marriage and going as far as entering a fellow man's house to sleep with a wife. That's an abomination.
That is what we see these days. We are trying to find out what actually happened as to what is the bond between my daughter and Ifeanyi, your son. The relationship to continue even after marriage.
Ifeanyi, your son, has ruined my daughter's marriage. Yes. For 2 days, I have not set my eyes on her. As you can now, I don't know where she is. Yes, I don't know where she is. If anyone on earth had told me that my own daughter, a child I carried 9 months in this my precious womb, a child that came out to this world from in between my thighs, would commit such an abominable act, such goodness, adultery to the height, I won't believe it. Because of your son.
Madam, you remember when I warned that you should hold your son so that they can finish school and unhand themselves. Look at how they landed themselves. Look at it.
Sir, as we speak, my son has been taken to prison. So please, how do we go about this? As for education, I know it has ended for him.
The man he was entering his house arrested him. So if you have any plea just go and look for him. Don't have any hand on that issue. I don't have anything to say. Nothing.
This man in question, who has seen him? Do you know his whereabouts?
Where?
This is serious. How can I believe this story? Can somebody tell me this is not true? Very shameful. This is painful.
Yes, what are you looking for?
I'm looking for the king.
Is he aware that you are coming?
No, he's not aware.
I have to wait. Let me go and
What have I not done for you? What have I not done for you? Tell me one more. Tell me one more. Is it love I gave you? Is it kindness I gave you? And your balloon don't I gave you. I was blindfolded with your love. I should have known that this will come. Why did you choose to stop me? Why? I have seen, I have learned.
Please.
Hey! Wait! Come. Please, come down. Please. What do you want to do?
Baba, Biko, Zanu, Biko, no, Biko.
Please. Calm down. What do you want to do?
Baba, please.
It's okay. It's okay.
You messed me up! I trusted you. That is why I allowed my son-in-law to spend money on me. Yet, you poured sand on my face. You!
I am sorry. I'm sorry because Papa Biko, I got tufu. Will you throw me away?